Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Hey party people, I am in Oklahoma City on my way to pool party. We drove from Columbus, Ohio, stayed the night in Joplin, Missouri, went through, I guess it's Sooner State up there in Stillwater, Oklahoma, and now I'm in Oklahoma City on my way to pool party, get a park for a view. At any rate, I will be here the rest of today, part of tomorrow, then I'm headed back to Albuquerque. I will be in Albuquerque Friday night. So, I'll be in Albuquerque a week and a half, and then I'm launching out on my first road trip. You can see that other video. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching. Oklahoma City, pick apart, trying not to be distracting. Looks like a 99 or 2000 S70 in the yard. Non-turbo. Standard sway bars. Must be a 99 because it still has the 850 style control arms. As you can see, it's been beat up. Does have a trip odometer. Does not have an oil change sticker. Does have the garage remote style deal, and that thing is good. Heck, I might take that for myself, put it in Queen B. At any rate, this is the car. It seems to be pretty straight body. Rear anti-sway bar is standard. They say it's a 2000 model. I didn't know 2000 model had that style on there. The trunk appears to be locked. Maybe something good in there. I don't know. Let's go with a no. So, anyway, just wanted to let you know this S70 is down there. Still got the good swirters. Still got these marker lights. See a T6 S80 down here. See if we can figure out what year it is. Looks like a 2000. Either that or this is row 00. It is a 2000. So if somebody needs parts from that, here's the vehicle down here. Looks like it's still got a key in the ignition. That's a good thing. Hard to find cars with keys. Let me get down to business. I'm supposed to be pulling a flywheel down here for one of my viewers. So I'm not going to have much time dilly-dally around. I need to get this show on the road. I probably only got an hour and 15 minutes to try to get this flywheel off. This is the Volvo with the 5-speed in it. It is a 98 V70. Nope, it's the automatic. I gotta shug around until I find that one with the 5-speed. You know, it's around here somewhere. Let me keep looking. Maybe it's this S70 up here. S70. It's the 99 model. NA. Let's see if it has a flywheel I'm looking for. I got an hour to get this thing out of here, or I'm gonna be back in the morning working on it. So let me get cracking. I don't have any time to waste. Sorry about that. It's not to destroy anything, so I'm gonna do my best not to do that. I do want to let you guys know that this vehicle does have a K&N air filter in it. I took that air filter, set it in the trunk as I'm going to do the rest of the parts that I remove. I'm gonna set them in the trunk. That's where they'll be. I'm going to try to keep this thing intact. Manual transmission S70 from 99. I've been going at it for about an hour. As you can see, I pulled the battery tray. I pulled the slave cylinder line. Pulled the bracket from that. I moved the brake booster system so I can get the slave cylinder line out without damaging it. I pulled the cables loose. I took the cable assembly bracket thing loose. So, got the wire harness loose. I got the strut pulled. I'm getting ready to pull the CV axle out of the strut. I came under the car. I pulled the lower torque mount. That's sitting here. It doesn't appear to be damaged. The bolts are there. Somebody want to come get it. I pulled the bolt out of the end of the CV axle over there. That CV axle may be a little damaged. I'm going to pull the control arm loose, pull those two bolts out of the back of that CV axle joint, pull that CV axle out. Then I'll be ready to pull the nut off of the lower support brace. Then pull the bolts from the transmission that mount the transmission to the engine. I need to lower the subframe here, pull the bolt there, pull the bolts there, pull the bolts there, and loosen the bolt here, and I should be able to get that transmission out. So I probably got 45 minutes to an hour to have that transmission off the engine. We'll see. I've been going at it for an hour. They told me they close at 4:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Another pin. This slave cylinder was pinned into the internal slave cylinder. There was some kind of joint there, so I pulled that joint off so I didn't break it when I pull this stuff apart. So the internal slaves have another joint on there that you want to pull off. You don't want to break that stuff. Rules in this fine establishment, all the way down number 9. I know I just seen a guy walk in there with a 12 pack, but hey, ain't not my rules. One of the guys inside told me to bring a jack, do something I needed to do tomorrow. Of course, that's against the rules, so the staff is telling you to break the rules they have. Now, I did pick up this sun visor, $3.25. Hard to go wrong with a sun visor that stays up. I'm going to see if that'll program to my cousin's remote control when I get back to the house. I've seen this before. I noticed it when I was getting walking along the side of the car a few minutes ago in my cousin's garage. I tell you guys to fix these door check straps. People take them loose, let the door flap around. If you look down on the side of Queen Bee has a crease running all the way down this door. My guess is when that strap was loose, somebody let this door fly. Hit against the car. I don't think that was me. And if I'd have noticed that before I had the car painted, of course, I'd have swapped the door, one of the doors from Ghost. So you really do got to be careful, not letting those doors swing wide open and damaging your door. Just a thought. Before it's time to get on with it now. If you're going to take a car out to the junkyard to do work on some stuff out there, you may want to go by Walmart and buy some cheap seat covers. These seat covers cost, I think, about $7 a piece. After you've worked on your car or something out in the junkyard, you put one of these seat covers over your good seat and you don't mar it up. So I'm going to put this over the seat in Queen Bee real quick because I don't feel like changing my pants out here right now, and I'm going to get on down the road. 5 minutes, I got Queen Bee seat protected from dirt. Let me press on. Pretty quick and easy fit. Well, looky there. There goes the hours of operation. He told me 4:30. It's actually 4:45, which is the precise time I checked out of there. So that's fine. So I'm going to go head back to the house, see if I can get this garage door opener to work. This sun visor in. I hooked it up to my jump box, and I'm going to try to see if I can get the Homelink to work. So I'm going to hit the reset on it first, then I'm going to try to program a button on it. I think they say you hold 1 and 3 in for like 30 seconds, and then it resets, clears all the codes in it. Now I got to try to program one of these. Alright, the next step in programming is to hold your remote button and the button you want to program. You push them at the same time, simultaneously. The light in the Homelink will blink slow, and then it'll start blinking fast. When it starts blinking fast, you release both buttons and then see if that works. If it doesn't work, you'll have to program it using the rollover method. So let's try this method first. I had to program it a couple times. It didn't work. So I'm going to try programming it using the rollover codes method. Okay. Since you can't program it with this, you actually have to go to the garage door opener and find the training button and put the garage door opener in the training mode. Once it's in the training mode, you have to hit the button on your Homelink sub visor twice. So let me see if I can find the training button on here, which may be up there, and go from there. Let me read this stuff up here. Alright, I programmed the visor to run the garage door opener, and the thing that you have to do is, one, you have to get the garage door remote in the program mode. 2, you have to clear the codes here. Then 3, you have to activate this to get in the program mode, and when it's in the program mode, you hold down the program button till it programs, then you let it go. Once the remote has programmed your Homelink, then you come to your opener, you put your opener in program mode. Hold down the big button, you'll see a blue light come on, you let it go, you'll see a purple light. Come back to your Homelink, push it a second, let it go, and you need to watch this light in your opener. You push it again, let it go, you continue to push that button until you get a steady light in your opener, and then it's programmed. Well, solve that mystery. So basically, you got to get the remote into the program mode, then you program the remote to the Homelink button, then you program the Homelink button to the garage door opener. Got any questions? Go ahead and post them below. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.